Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start with the topic known as economic activities. Now, there are various economic activities that we have gone through over day-to-day life. So, these are categorized into different sectors. So, there are basically three types of sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Now, as far as primary sector is concerned, when we produce a good by extracting natural resources, it is known as primary sector. There are various examples of primary sector. The most important example which we have came across is agriculture. Right? Now the second one is secondary sector. As the name suggests, when any raw material, when it has been converted into various products, into various components, it is known as secondary sector. Secondary sector, it comes under manufacturing process. Anything which has been manufactured comes under secondary sector. For example, building of roads, making of any cosmetics, all these things comes under secondary. Now last but not the least is tertiary sector. It provides services to all the primary as well as secondary sector. The examples of tertiary sector are doctors, lawyers, any type of services which any type of sector has been provided. Apart from this, tertiary sector is also very useful in various banking technology, in various communication problems and all. So I have just categorized it into three simple ways: primary, secondary and tertiary. And here I have given few examples: primary, forestry, fishing and agriculture. In secondary, it is manufacturing, and in tertiary, transport, communication, doctors, lawyers, all these things come under service sector because it provides the services. Thank you very much.